We are the group one. We cannot do this. We are the group one. We cannot do this. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Together we rise. Together we win. We are Power SCD. Nice.
Good evening, everyone. This is the group of Ladies Islam Living on Grade 1. This poster is all about food, how prevent and organize scamming.
What is scamming? Scamming is the dishonest of making money or gaining an advantage, especially that one receive.
With the theme of the public awareness campaign, the poster is about scamming people online, warning them about different types of scams like DJ scams, spamming on social media, investment scams, email scams, etc., allowing them to collect information they need to reduce their chances of becoming victims of these types of scams.
There are many ways to avoid getting scammed. The first thing is to analyze the anonymity and reactivity to the person you're talking to or checking the sites they use. Use credit cards for added protection. Keep yourself updated and avoid using public Wi-Fi or sensitive contacts. Avoid sharing your personal information. Residents that are making purchases and your website are secure. Look for NPS before you your personal information. What is HTTPS anyway? HTTPS is here are between the security of the data transfer. This is particularly important for us. When we transfer sensitive data such as personal information, we need to look for HTTPS website because it is security and not is credentials.
They inform about common scams that together recognize and avoid potential threats. By doing this, you are avoiding potential scams and protecting your and fund from these scammers.
That's it.